I don't know who needs to hear this today, but you are not lazy just because you don't want to work 40 hours plus a week for your entire life. Society has conditioned us to believe that success is defined by how much money you make. But the real ones know it's way less about how much money is in your bank account and more about the freedom that you obtain. If you ask me if I'd rather make $200-300 a year at a job that I'm working 50 to 60 hours a week that I absolutely hated versus $80,000 a year working maybe a few hours a day from home, I'd take the $80K all day, every day. Because what's the point of making all that money if you don't even have the free time to use it? Sure, you probably have a nice house and a really nice car, but you're probably getting like 2 vacations a year. You're definitely not living your life on your own terms, living by your bosses and making him or her the really rich one, not you. Now here's the kicker. You don't have to actually sacrifice one for the other. We're taught from a young age, the more we work, the more we make. But it's actually the opposite. The rich stay rich because they know how to create passive income. And they make their money work for them instead of working for their money. And here's the thing. You don't have to be rich to create this passive income. Me, for example, I started my online business 1.5 years ago, and I'm able to generate 6 figures now passively just from doing this, working just a few hours a day from home. Funny thing is, all I spent was a couple weeks learning a few digital skills online. They don't want you to know how simple making money really can be. That's why I'm here to show you how. If you're interested in learning about what I do and what you can do more specifically, go to my profile.